Output devices are those devices which are used to get results or data out on a computer screen. So what is output now? Output means something giving out. Okay, so in computer, whatever gives us the output, from where we get the output, those devices are known as output devices. So first one is monitor. Monitor, this is monitor, a computer screen. The monitor is the most common output device. You can read the output data from the monitor. Now what happens when we type from the keyboard? Where we can see the answer? Whatever we are typing, we are able to see somewhere, right? It is able to see on the, we are able to see it on the screen. So this monitor shows us the output. So this is the output device. The speakers. When we play a CD, we can hear the sounds through the speakers. What is the use of speaker? Speaker helps us to hear the sound. So what it does? It increases the volume of the sound and we are able to hear the sound from the speaker. So this is also giving output. This is giving sound, right? So these are also an output device. The printer is another output device. It is used for printing on paper, the work which is shown on the computer screen. So this is called as a printer. What it does? Whatever is printed or typed on the computer screen, if you want it printed, okay, if you want it in a paper format, this printer helps us to take the printout of that. Okay, so here papers have been put, and from the computer, if we select the page that we want to take a printout and give print command, this printer will take a printout of that page. Okay, so from the computer the printout is taken, so this gives us the output. Okay, paper mein aata hai printout, so as this is giving us the output, this is also known as the output devices. Okay children, so here we are studying about only 3 output devices. What are those? The monitor, speakers and the printer. Okay, I will be sending you the photo of these pages. As you don't have your textbook, see that you read the lesson twice or thrice and try to understand. Okay children, I will be giving you the notes also, so that you write it. Thank you.